Before you skip this video, listen carefully. If you are new to Python or still figuring out the basics, this video could be the one that finally makes it all clear. We are not just covering code, we are breaking it down visually, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Hey friends, welcome back to another beginner-friendly Python tutorial. In this video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and flexible features of Python, the list. Imagine you are packing a bag with different items, books, clothes, snacks. A Python list is exactly like that. It can carry multiple items, even of different types. We will explore how to create lists, access and update elements, use powerful methods like append, insert, remove, and also built-in function like sum, mean, and more. Stick around till the end because these concepts are not only useful but also commonly asked in coding interviews. Let's begin. Create a file. List session. Step 1. Creating a list. Nums equal 42, 18, 73, 59 and 31. Print nums. Save and run. Ctrl plus S for save. Shift plus F10, run. Here we created a list named nums that stores 5 numbers. Lists are defined using square brackets and can hold multiple values. The print function that displays all the elements. Step 2. Accessing elements using index. Print nums 0 index, print nums -1 index. Save and run. We got 42 and 31. 0 means first index and -1 means last index. So first index, that is 42, and last index, that is 31. Lists in Python are indexed. Indexing start from 0. So nums 0 gives the first element. You can also use negative indexing. -1 reaches the last item. Step 3. Slicing list. Save and run. Print nums. Starting index 2, ending index is not given. Print nums. Starting index 1 and ending index is 4. We got first slice. From first slice we got 73, 59, 31. Second slice we got 18, 73, 59. Slicing helps you access a range of items. The syntax, list, start index, end index include sorry includes the start index but excludes the end index. See how it works. Nums equal 42, 18, 73, 59 and 31. We are going to find print nums starting index to ending index is not given. So here index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here starting point 2. So starting point 2, that is 73. Then ending index is not given, so it's up to end. That's why 73, 59 and 31. Next is starting index 1, ending index 4. So it starts from 1 and ends up to 3. So it will be 18, 73, 59. Starting index is included and ending index is excluded. Step 4. List can have mixed data type. Save and run. Mixed equal 9.5 Python 25. Print mixed, we got 9.5 Python 25. Unlike many other languages, Python list can store different types of values in the same list, like a float, a string, and an integer all together. So here 9.5 is float, Python is string, 25 is int, that is integer. Step 5. Nested list. Nums equal 42, 18, 73, 59, 31. This is one list. Names equal Elon, Aman, Alina. This is another list. Multi equal nums, names. Save and run. Print multi. Now save and run. So we got the output. List can even contain other lists. This creates a nested list. Useful when dealing with matrix like structures or grouping related data. List method: append, insert, remove. Nums equal 42, 18, 73, 59 and 31. Nums dot append 45. Nums dot insert 277. Nums dot remove 31. Print nums. Save and run. Append method adds a new item at the end. 45 is added at the end. Insert index comma value places a new value at a specific position. Dot insert 2 comma 77. We have added 77 at the index 2. This is 0 index, this is 1 index, and this is 2 index. 77 is added index 2, and remove value deletes the first matching element. Here 31 is deleted from the list. See, this was our previous list. 31 is here, but now see the output. 31 is not in the list. Step 7. Pop and del. Save and run. Nums.pop1 removes element at index 1. Nums.pop index is not mentioned. If index is not mentioned, then this means removes last element. Del nums starting index to ending index is not given, deletes all elements from index 2 up to end. Save and run. Pop1. Pop1 means what? Removes element at index 1. This is 0 index, this is 1 index. So now see the output. In output section, 18 is not given. Okay. Nums.pop. If index is not mentioned, removes last element. 31 is not in our list. Tell nums starting index 2, ending index is not mentioned. That means deletes all elements from index 2. Extend. Extend to add multiple elements. Save and run. See the output. Use extend when you want to add multiple values to a list in one go. Just remember to wrap the new items inside square brackets. 29, 12, 14, 36 is newly added in the list. Step 9. Built-in function on list. Save and run. We got 1873 to 23. Python offers powerful built-in function min, max, sum. Min gets the smallest number. Max finds the largest number. Sum totals all numbers in the list. So minimum number is 18, maximum number is 73, and sum of all is 223. Step 10. Sorting the list. Save and run. We got 18, 31, 42, 59, 73. The sort method arranges in the list in ascending order. This is helpful when you need your data organized quickly and easily. And that's the power of Python list. You can create, slice, update, and perform many useful operations easily. Lists are the building blocks of many Python applications, from data processing to game development. If you learned something today, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python videos, and let me know your questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, where we explore even more cool Python concepts. Happy coding!